This is a conference about all of you. We've designed it to help you understand the latest of the identity security landscape.
When I co-founded CyberArk, the theme was, let's build a built-to-last company. Something that's going to be long-standing, continue to think long-term, invest in the long-term, and the things that matter most to our customers.
There are 45 machine identities for every human identity, and the total number of identities is growing at an accelerated rate.
When it comes to attackers, when we talk about attacker innovation, it actually comes in two fronts. Usually you're used to us talking or companies talking about attackers innovating in terms of their techniques and tools that they use. But attackers are also innovating in terms of their business innovation.
Generative AI, phishing, is yet another instrument that is available for attackers. Now they can use AI-generated voice to create a sense of trust in their target.
But this is where I think it got really interesting for me is as long as you held that domain and it was up, right, then you were killing WannaCry.
Yeah.
But there were some people that didn't want that, right? What happened after that?
Yeah, so that was the not fun part, is it like a lot of people say it was the registering the domain that killed WannaCry, but that's not the truth. It has to be able to connect to a web server and get a 200 success response.
I'm having a great time. It's got to see lots of people, meet people.
Really invigorating. It's been really nice getting to talk to people, even just outside of the sessions.
Huge turnout across the entire country and looking for further adoption down the road.
Organizations can leverage zero trust and least privilege with complete visibility, enabling every identity to securely access any resource located anywhere from everywhere.
So we started using WPM to manage that process automatically, and we integrated it into our existing SSO MFA tools so our end users don't have that complexity that is sometimes associated with password management, password vaulting.
And the beauty is in the ability to share data and insights across all of these identities and resources automatically.
Our belief at CyberArk that as we challenge ourselves to respond to new identities, new environments, and new attack methods, it creates a forum for where the future of security revolves around identity. And we believe, partnering with us at CyberArk, we can make sure your future is secure.